Now that all the turf is secured and in and nailed all the way around and the outside edges have been secured, we kicked extra turf this way and then secured. What you want to do next is hit it with the power broom, brush all the fibers and make them stand up so that when we put in the sand, all the fibers are standing straight up and the sand will just head right down into the base. Utilizing the drop spreader spreads the sand out evenly. Across the area. Get as close as you can to the edges, and then from there, then you can shake in with a cup along the edges that didn't get it. After you've distributed all the white sand or the lighter colored tan sand, and you power broom and get all of this sand pushed down into the base, then we will come back with the green and do the same thing with the green. It's important to not immediately do the green because then you'll mix the two and you'll get a salt and pepper effect. So the green sand is merely to mask the color of the white sand so that it doesn't show through the green of the turf.